Hello there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW G20 320d here at Your Next Car. So I'll walk you around the vehicle whilst I talk through some of the features and options. So obviously this is the all new 3 Series which we fitted the Your Next Car performance kit on, which is all fitted in-house here at Your Next Car, which is included on the G20. We have the gloss black front splitter, the gloss black kidney grille surrounds. We've also fitted the 20-inch G20 performance style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. Down the side we've got the M Performance side vinyls, which are genuine OEM items. We've also got privacy glass. This vehicle benefits from having the tech pack fitted to it, so a lot of optional extras included in that, which I'll try and get through in this video. So we have the stunning leather inside the vehicle, the Dakota leather. We have Harman Kardon with Logic 7 surround sound. We also have the ambient lighting. Moving back round to the front where you'll see the all new LED headlamps. We also have the radar guided cruise control. Front and rear parking sensors with park assist, which we'll get through in just a moment. The privacy glass, which you've seen. The rear performance spoiler. Gloss black rear diffuser. On the G20 3 Series, no matter what, if you go for the 320d M Sport, you do get the nice twin exit exhaust. Rear reversing camera. This is an all new chassis, all new shaped car, so there's completely pretty much 99% all components on this vehicle are all brand new. The boot space on the new 3 Series is a little bit larger than the previous shape. The seats do also fold on this model thanks to the tech pack, so you do get that bit of extra room should it be required. Always helpful on a saloon to have the seats folding. You've also got the underglow door handle lights, as you can see there. Another new addition for the new 3 Series is the digital climate for the rear passengers, so they can adjust the temperature digitally in the rear to suit their needs. Have the leather door panels on the rear door cards, front door cards as well. There's a lot to get through on this new model, so I'm trying to be as quick as I can. Moving on into the driver's side, where you'll see the powerful mirror function. We've also got electric lumbar adjustment for passengers and driver's side. The multi-function M Sport steering wheel. It of course has the sport gearbox with paddle shift. We've got the all new dashboard, which is the digital dash with the multi-function display, so it will display up the sat nav, as you can see there, or any other display that you have up in the centre, so as you're looking across there. We also have the superb head-up display thanks to the tech pack. Moving on into newer features that the vehicle has. So the new BMW G20 that this model has BMW's AI technology. So basically the vehicle will start to learn what you do, how you drive, what you like to switch on at certain times, temperatures, etc. So i.e. the heated seats is a good one. If you turn the heated seats on at a certain temperature, like for example 3 degrees, it'll learn that over time. It'll then start to do that for you. It will have that system switched on before you even go to switch the button on. At 3 degrees, it'll automatically switch that on for you as a learning system. There's a lot of other things it'll do that for you. So if you go to turn the fog lights on at a certain time of the year, it'll do that automatically for you. It'll learn a lot of other systems like that. Putting the vehicle in reverse, you'll see of course the reversing camera come up and a little icon here, reversing assist. Now what reversing assist is again a part of the learning AI technology. If you reverse the car into a drive or into a space regularly, it will learn that manoeuvre. Once it's learned that manoeuvre, it can carry out that manoeuvre for you. You may have seen similar technology on other manufacturers' cars before. However, BMW have now perfected the technology and it does work extremely well. It will manoeuvre the car into the space perfectly for you, exactly into the space where you have put the car before. We have even tried and tested it moving into our tight workshop space here, or showroom space here, should I say, and it does work extremely well. We of course have got the nav, which you've already seen. The vehicle itself has got full BMW service history and it's not due a service for 11,000 miles, as you can see there, and there's all the service history up on the screen. It has also got screen mirroring and Apple CarPlay. If we go into communications, you can see all that. Settings, and as you can see there, Wi-Fi as well, Apple CarPlay. Media wise, of course, we've got DAB and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. DAB, music collection, AUX, USB, and everything else that you would generally find on a car of this age. Moving on to the newer technology that we have. So if I turn that off, I can show you one of the newer features, and I'll try and demonstrate it. I've tried this. This will be my second attempt, so we'll have a go. Hello BMW. Turn driver's side heated seat on.
I set the seat heating at the driver's seat at level 1.
Okay, so there you go. It now switches the driver's side heated seat on level 1. You can do many other voice commands. As I say, it is generally very, very good technology. As I say, I've tried and tested it on lots of other different things around the car. I'm not going to go into too much, just try and keep the video short and sweet. But as I say, it's like the voice commands where usually you have to press the button and try it, but now you can just simply talk to the car by just saying, hello BMW. Very good feature, very useful to have, and as I say, it is AI technology and will learn in and around what you do when you have the car.